LTC, we start with 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. If you refer to our analysis in my last video, since the price was within this move, we mentioned the ways move is really corrective and we can expect the price to drop, and this is what we get. Now we want to see what's this, because we mentioned we're looking for buy, but we need to get a bigger correction. Okay, right now we want to see how we can look at this and how we can look for trade. Anyway, we start with higher time frame, we start with daily chart. The only things is based on daily chart. Right now we're looking for this. If we get any correction, any continuation, we are more interested. And in this case, we move to forward chart. Based on forward chart, the only things is we're looking at this. If we want to look for buy, we need to get to see how deep this correction can be and how we can look for trade. We need to get the trade set up, because as you can see, the way is correcting, we will see later based on 1 hour chart. Still, we can expect this one turn to a deeper correction. And also we need to know, may this one turn to a flat in relative to this. That's why if we want to look for trade, we need to get the confirmation for buy in case this give us one more drop. We are not looking for the down move, we're looking for buy. The only thing is we need to know how we can look for trade within this correction and how deep it can be. Anyway, we move to 1 hour chart. All right. Right now we're looking at this correction. As I mentioned, for long term, we're looking for buy. And the only thing is how we can look for trade, because the way this one is moving, mostly we can expect to get one more drop. And even if we get one more drop, this is better for us, because at least we can get the confirmation about this correction and we can confirm how deep it can be before we get the next up move. All right. And even okay, and also as I mentioned, we can expect this one to give us one more drop. The first option is we're looking for trade. We want this one, we prefer this one to drop. Any drop with the breakout of this low, then from there any reversal we can look for trade. Okay, and beside that, how deep this correction can be, still we can expect even drop to 239. It doesn't mean we have to wait the price to drop to 239 before we look for buy. We can expect this one, it dropped to this level. Okay, that's why if anyone wants to look for sell, if they get any sell opportunity from this correction, maybe they can look at this target, which is 239. All right, anyway, we're looking for buy. The best of things is if we get any down move with the breakout of this, then we look for the reversal. But how about if the price reverse continue from here? If this one continues a corrective move, mostly we cannot get any trade setup. The only thing is either we get a sharp move with the flag, or we can have entry above this. Okay, and if we want to have entry above this, what we want the price tag break and continue with the price tag, which is not moving within the first or second hour, we take out the trade. And if this one give us one more drop with the breakout of this low, then having entry above this, we can shift it to above this one. And even at that time, with the breakout of this top, if we get any trade, we can start to manage. But if we get one more drop, if the price reverse from here, we mentioned how we can look for trade. And the short-term target which we're looking for, if we get any buy setup, the first one is 281, following by 300. All right, that's meaning if we get any trade, the price could tag 300. This is then at that times we can move our sub loss to 281, at least book some profits. Okay, anyway, we're looking for trade. For long term, we're looking for buy, but still we can expect this one to give us one more drop. And right now we're looking at this. Okay, in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.